Hey guys, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam, and khammagani to all of you. Welcome to today's class, and it's not just a class; it's a point like it's a topic where we'll be conversing about something. And today we are talking about five smart nighttime habits for the students. Okay, and this is already a no-brainer. Like as you all know, the first habit obviously has to be sleep on time. All right, it should not be like delayed sleep or lack of sleep, especially in the time of examination, because your mind needs rest, है ना? If your mind is resting properly, then only you'll be able to say give your best in your examination. Say for example, whenever your match is there, you don't say stay all night, say stay awake all night long and you will practice. You don't do that, right? Whenever suppose your cricket match is due, say you have a match tomorrow, cricket match, you'll not be practicing whole night or whole day. You'll be taking rest because your body needs some relaxation. Already you have prepared enough, practiced enough, right? So that's what is required from all of you, like practice enough, prepare enough before your examination, and give rest to your body just before the examination. It does not mean don't even touch the books. Do it, but have a good sleep, है ना? 8 hours sleep, 7 hours sleep is very much required. All right, so the first thing, guys, before I start, remember, for all the IOQM aspirants, all the Olympiad aspirants, guys, IOQM essential batch, you can definitely go for it. And the best thing right now, the price for this batch from 10,000 is reduced to rupees 2,200. On that as well, if you are applying the coupon code GPE Pro, you'll be getting the whole course just at rupees 1980. All right, so that is a very good course right now which you'll be getting, guys. And in this, we'll be preparing you for your Olympiad examinations. We'll be teaching you all the important things. ठीक है बच्चों? All right, okay. Now, five smart nighttime habits for our students. I'll not waste much of your time. I'll keep it very precise. The first thing is set an alarm for bedtime. Now, it does not mean कि every day keep an alarm. You have to sleep now. At least make your body like tell a schedule to it, है ना? All right. So your body should follow that schedule, that by 11 you're sleeping, by 11 or by 12, whatever it is. Like you have to wake up early as well. So I would rather suggest go by 11. 11 to 7 is a good time of sleeping, है ना? All right, so make sure that you are sleeping on time. All right, all right. And obviously, like it will make your body more disciplined, है ना? Discipline, it comes to your discipline also. Keep electronics out of your bedroom. Very, very, very important thing for all the like the new generation out there, even some of say some of the older people as well. Please keep your electronics outside your bedroom. Do not use your phone before you are sleeping. It's okay to read something, it's okay to read a book, something else you do, but don't be in front of a screen. It is not good for a good sleep. It is not good at all, at all. All right, so keep your electronics out of your bedroom. Use blackout blinds. That means like sleep in a room where it is dark enough. And that too, if you are sleeping in the night time, obviously it is going to be say dark enough, right? Also, suppose your outside street light is there, your room is bit bright during the night time. Also use curtains so that like it will be making the whole room dark, and when it is dark your mind sleeps better, you sleep better, है ना? All right, embrace the 1 hour wind down. What does it mean? Like before you sleep, I have told you, please don't be in front of any screen, don't be using your phone, don't be using your laptop, है ना? What you can do is, say, you can write your diary, you can read a book, you can take a shower, good shower, then read a book, something like that. All right, and then sleep. Stay away from your phone, yeah, before you're sleeping, as simple as that. All right, and avoid these three taboos. What are these three taboos? First one, drinking coffee after 5 p.m., because when you're drinking coffee after 5 p.m., your body will not be relaxed but it will be stimulated, right? Also eating fatty foods, you know, high calorie foods, fatty foods, containing lot of fatty acids, you know, oils and all, within 3 hours of bedtime, before you're sleeping. 3 hours before that, not good at all. And also avoid exercising before 3 hours of your sleep. Why? Because when you exercise, guys, your body gets stimulated instead of relaxing, and it will be, say, hampering your sleep. All right, so avoid these things before you are sleeping. If you want to exercise, keep it early morning, afternoon, whatever, but don't keep it 3 hours before your sleeping time. Or I don't be like, Arey yaar, after exercising I get a very good sleep. Try to finish your exercise before the 3 hours of your sleeping. Alright guys, so before, these are all the 5 tips which I have for you. And yes, you can register for any of the Vedanta courses which you find the best for you. Just important thing is GP Pro. This is the code to get 10% off, and yes, you are definitely going to get benefit. Alright, so thank you so much guys for joining this session. I've tried to keep it very short and crisp. So follow that and see the changes in your body. You will definitely going to love it. Alright, so thank you so much guys. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to this channel if you are new here. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Sayonara. Khuda Hafiz to all of you. Bye bye guys.